Hello friends, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To provide presentation, the search engine optimization, total guidelines, and social media marketing, SMM. I can lecture my classes. Number one, the search engine optimization. What is SEO? What is SEO? Search engine optimization. The search engine, lot of definition. I am the short definition presentation my channel. What is the search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is standard for search engine optimization. The goal of SEO is the expand and company visibility and organic search result. As a result, this effect drive more visitor of the company website, increasing their channels for more conversion, which lead to more customer and more revenues. The focusing point, everywhere, every businessman, the targeted the more earned revenues. Your website, your channel, your web page, your blogs, etc. The first time the targeted number one, the Google search engine, Yahoo search engine, Bing search engine, the lot of search engine, but the worldwide, the highly search result, the number one search engine, Google. The Google search result, the top page number one, rank number one. The total goal, the search engine, the ranking your website, your web page, your blogs, etc. The lot of people, lot of teacher, lot of blogs, lot of website, the definition, the search engine optimization. Every people, you have this, your opening your mind and this presentation, the search engine optimization. The lot of website, just I am one or two website or SEO. The what is SEO? Search engine optimization. Search engine means, SEO means search engine optimization, and is the process under to optimize a website, technical configuration, content, relevance, and like popularity, so its page can become easily findable, more revenues, and popular towards user search query, and as conclusion, search engine rank them better. Search engine recommend SEO effects that benefit both the user search experience and page ranking by picture content that the fulfills user search needed. That include the use of relevance keyword in title, meta description, and headlines, H1, factor, discover, URL, content management, among other SEO best perfect. Search engine, the people find what they are looking for online. Where recycling the product looking for result. For booking vectories, search engine are the common settings point where needed the information. For business owner, they offer valuable opportunity to direct relevant traffic your website. Ultimately goal, the targeted customer, targeted audience, the how to more revenues your business. Same things, the web page, website, blogs, etc. Channel, the every website the needed must be search engine optimization SEO. That means search result, the Google ranking, Yahoo Bing, etc. The search engine result page SER page so that you receive more traffic. Then aim the traffical to rank on the first page of Google result. Google number one search engine the worldwide. For search terms, that means the most of your targeted audience and targeted customer. So search engine optimization is as much about understanding that want and needed of your audience as is about the technical nature of how to configure your website. Another website, there's means in search engine optimization, the application. Search engine optimization, the goal of SEO. Company visibility in organization, such result as a result them effect to drive more visitor to the company's website, increase their channel, more conversion, which lead and more customer, more audience, targeted customer, and then more revenues. The finally targeted goals, the more revenues. When asked to example the what is SEO, search engine optimization, is often choose to call it strategy to ensure that when someone Google your products, your service categories, they'll find our website. There are a trend of way to improve the search engine optimization of your site page. Search engine look the elements including title, tag, keyword, image tag, internet link, statistics, inbound link, also know backlink. Very important points, the backlink. And next videos, the backlinks lectures. Search engine also look at site, determine how highly rank your website. So that is the SERPS. With all their factors taken into account, search engine optimization that means SEO, primary drive to things rank a visibility. But Google definition of search engine. Just Google. Google provide the search engine optimization is their art and science of creating page to rank higher in search engine search as Google, because search is one of the main way in which people discover content online. Ranking higher in search engine can lead to increase in traffic to a website. What are SEO? Example, the simple word. The most common explain of on-page SEOs is optimize a page and content to the specific keyword. For example, if you are published a blog post about making your own ice cream, your keyword might be homemade in ice cream. You encourage that keyword in our post title, subtitle, meta description, description, header and bodies. Thank you, best of luck. Please subscribe my channel and your valuable comment and share. Thank you.